Mishimelon!
Hey! Hello, friends! Hey, little friends! Can you wave with me? Wave your hand!
A! Good job! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! A is for apple. B. Well done! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! B is for ball. C. Woohoo! C is for cat.
Let's have some fun! Jump, jump, jump! Jump, jump, jump!
D. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! D is for dog. E. Well done! Fantastic! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! E is for egg. F. Good job! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! F is for flower.
I'm hidden in the box. Can you find me?
G. Well done! Woohoo! G is for grapes. H. Good job! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! H is for helicopter. I. Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! I is for ice cream. Peekaboo! 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 J. Woohoo! J is for Joker. K. Well done! Fantastic! Great! Woohoo! K is for kangaroo. L. Good job!
Great!
Woohoo! L is for lion.
Let's have some fun. Release this balloon on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. M. Well done! Fantastic!
Great!
Woohoo! M is for mouse. N. Good job! Amazing! Woohoo! N is for nest. O. Woohoo! O is for orange. Pick a sticker. P. Well done!
Great!
Woohoo! P is for parrot. Q. Good job! Woohoo! Q is for quail. R. Well done! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! R is for rocket.
Select your favorite stamp.
S. Woohoo! S is for sun. T. Good job! Woohoo! T is for turtle. U. Woohoo! U is for unicorn. V. Well done! Amazing! Woohoo! V is for violin. W. Good job! Fantastic! Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! W is for whistle. amazing! Woohoo! X is for X-ray.
Wow! Who's ready to pop them with me?
Y. Good job! Fantastic!
Great!
Woohoo! Y is for yak. Z.
Well done!
Perfect! Amazing! Woohoo! Z is for zebra.
Congratulations! You got a certificate!
Hello parents, thank you for your supporting, for spending this learning moment with your child, and every small step you take today helps build a brighter, stronger future to them. We appreciate your support and hope your videos to continue to bring joy and learning to your little one. Dear parents, thank you for being a part of your child's early learning journey. Your involvement makes a big difference in how confidently they grow, explore and discover the skills and everything perfect. I am a good teacher and I want to teach your child. So must subscribe me. Thank you. This video for kids and adults, for both. So it's a very important message for kids parents. Also wanna also watch kids and also watch adults. This is learning video for everyone. Thank you.